Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best buys you can make online. In today's review, we're featuring what we consider the best 8 ounces tumbler available right now. The Carlisle FoodService Products 55,268,107 Stackable Shatter-Resistant Plastic Tumbler. Let's start with the design. At first glance, this tumbler has a classic, minimalist look, but don't let that fool you. It's not just about aesthetics. The design is functional, stackable, and perfectly suited for environments where efficiency, space-saving, and durability matter most. Think casual dining restaurants, buffets, cafeterias, or even your own kitchen if you like practicality with a professional-grade edge. Now, the build quality. Carlisle uses a combination of acrylic and plastic that is engineered to resist shattering. That's a big deal, especially in high-traffic environments where drops happen. And even in the home, if you've got kids running around, this tumbler can survive the chaos without cracking under pressure. It's BPA-free, break-resistant, and top-rack dishwasher-safe, all essential features for both safety and convenience. What also adds value is that it's proudly made in the USA, which means quality manufacturing standards are in play here. Carlisle has a reputation in the food service industry, and this product lives up to that name. Let's talk size. At 8 fluid ounces, this tumbler is ideal for water, juice, milk, or even small cocktails if you're hosting. It's compact enough for easy handling but still holds a decent amount of liquid. Whether you're serving guests or using it for everyday meals, the size is both functional and versatile. Another often overlooked feature, stackability. These tumblers are designed to be stacked without getting stuck. That may sound simple, but if you've ever had to unjam plastic cups that are too snugly nested, you know how frustrating that can be. Carlisle has solved that problem with subtle ridges that create just enough space for easy stacking and separation. The pack includes 6 clear tumblers, ideal if you're outfitting a small restaurant section or upgrading your glassware at home. And because they're uniform and transparent, they fit seamlessly into just about any kitchen style or dining setting. Now, let's touch on cleaning. The dishwasher safe label isn't just a checkbox here. These tumblers are built to withstand repeated commercial dishwashing cycles. That means you can expect durability not just in the face of drops, but in daily cleaning too. One of the standout selling points of this tumbler is its versatility. Whether it's for a home breakfast table, a school cafeteria, a nursing home, or a food truck, this product fits right in. It doesn't try to be fancy, and that's exactly why it's perfect. It's the reliable workhorse of plastic drinkware. And before we wrap, a note on the Carlisle brand. They've been around for decades, serving the commercial food service industry with equipment and supplies that hold up under pressure. If you've ever eaten at a diner or buffet, chances are you've already used one of their products, maybe even this tumbler. If you want something sturdy, safe, space-saving, and hassle-free, whether at home or for business use, the Carlisle 8 ounces stackable tumbler is a smart buy. It's built to last, and it won't let you down. That wraps up today's product critique. If you're looking for a tumbler that punches way above its weight class, this is the one to grab. Make sure to check it out in the link below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if there's a product you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching. See you next time.